The GTek 27-inch curved might be the last gaming monitor you ever need to buy, it's that good. You're rushing out the door, laptop in hand, scrambling to find a decent place to set up for an all-night gaming session with friends, and then you see it, the GTek 27-inch curved. That moment changed everything. This thing is a game changer. Imagine yourself tomorrow morning, settling into your favorite chair, firing up the GTek 27-inch curved, and being transported to a world of smooth, responsive gameplay that makes you forget about the rest. That's what it feels like, that kind of clarity, that kind of immersion. Let me tell you why. This monitor boasts an ultra-smooth competitive gameplay experience, thanks to its 280Hz refresh rate via DisplayPort and 1 millisecond MPRT response time. It's a feature designed specifically for fast-paced FPS, racing, and esports titles, which means it helps reduce blur and screen tearing for smoother visual performance. You won't even notice you're playing. The curved design wraps naturally into your field of view, creating an immersive experience that adds depth and comfort during extended gaming or entertainment sessions. It's a big part of what makes the GTek 27-inch curved stand out from other monitors on the market. Whether you're streaming, working, or just relaxing, this thing feels like an upgrade. And then there are the colors. Vivid HDR visuals that deliver deep blacks and rich cinematic visuals with a 4000:1 contrast ratio and 90% DCI-P3 color gamut. This is what makes watching movies or playing games look so good, you'll feel like you're right in the action. But here's the thing, this monitor isn't just for gaming. The HDR colors, 90% DCI-P3 color gamut, and support for FreeSync technology also make it perfect for content viewing and creative work. You can use it to watch your favorite shows, edit videos, or even do some serious graphic design, and it will perform flawlessly. Connect effortlessly with your PC, PS5, or Xbox via 2 HDMI ports, DisplayPort 1. 4. And audio output compatibility. VESA 75x75mm support and adjustable tilt functionality make flexible placement a breeze for any gaming station or workspace. It's also super comfortable. Anti-flicker and anti-glare technology help reduce eye strain during long gaming or work sessions. And when it comes to reliability, you can trust this thing won't let you down. Tech Electronics backs the GTek 27-inch curved with a 3-year warranty, plus durable metal stand construction that holds up for years to come. So what does owning the GTek 27-inch curved change about your day? It changes everything. You'll feel more immersed, more connected, and more engaged, whether you're gaming, watching movies, or just relaxing in front of the screen. And when you factor in the cost of upgrading to a better monitor, well, let's just say it might be worth considering. Now that I've got your attention, are you ready to upgrade to the best?